everybody, RETROCENGO is back. Let's take the volume down. There we go. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Pedretti Gaming, the European Pinball Corporation's upcoming game. Yes, it is FunHouse, and when I make this video, when I talk about their upcoming games, I'm not stepping on anybody's toes, okay? This is a friendly video. I'm good with all the companies, all the manufacturers. We're having a great time. This info you are getting from me are not just rumors. This is rock solid information, okay? So the upcoming game is FunHouse. What an amazing game. We all love FunHouse. One of Pat Lawlor's greatest achievement in his life, man. So Pedretti Gaming is coming out with 3 versions. A classic, a premium, and a limited edition. Now, you want to ask on the comments down below, RETROCENGO, why FunHouse? My dude, there's a perfectly fine explanation for that. And it's not only because they have made the 2.0 kits. No, there's a perfectly fine explanation. Why do they make 3 versions? There's an even better explanation. I will make an upcoming video. I have shared some of this on my Patreon page. My guys on Patreon are getting the first facts. This is not rumors, this is facts, okay? So I'm gonna share a bit of stuff in here also. So 3 versions. Let me tell you in details. The first one, it's been called the classic version. The classic version will look like FunHouse that we all grown up with, that we all love, okay? It will cost 7,000 euros. Can you imagine a brand new FunHouse for 7,000 euros? The classic version is gonna be an awesome game. But we're not done there. Because one of the scoops I want to tell you about is FunHouse. Owners of FunHouse Roadshow, we all know the head. The mechanical parts in the head. The mouth dies, eyes, eyelids, everything. All the mechanical engineering back in 1990, it was a mess. It was the best they could back then, but today, so many years later, it's not the easiest thing to maintain. What did they do? They updated the mechanical parts of all of the main toy. It's so good. I mean, so the first scoop, the head has been updated. Okay, and I'm loving that. So they have really thought through what's good, what's bad on this game. So updated mechs. Okay, we're not done there. The looks of the head is changed. That's also a cool info. Okay, just wait and see. I can't share nothing, but it's good. What they're doing is really good. The third thing. The premium and the limited edition does not look like the classic version because they have got all new artwork from Brian Allen. It's so effing cool. You can't compare these games with your old FunHouse. I mean, the premium and LE version, you're lucky if you can get the LE version. That's the only detail I can give you right now. But the premium, the Brian Allen artwork, guys, come on, it looks amazing, man. Wow. So yeah, new artwork, new Rudy head, new mix, looks better. I'm loving this. The other detail I want to tell you about, this is not going to be released like, for example, I don't want to step on no toes, but it's not going to be released like a CGC game where it gets released a year ago and the games will stumble out now. No, nothing like that. When they release this game, which is pretty soon, they have final soon, that's the only thing I can say. But when they release this game, they will already have games in boxes ready to ship. Everything is thought of, everything is just perfectly set up, and I can't wait. This is so cool, and everything just makes sense for me. Will it have the old segmented display? No, this game is modernized. It's updated in any way they can do, and they're really thinking about getting the customer best bang for their buck. We all know FunHouse is a jam-packed pinball machine. We all know that. It's an amazing playing pin, but they have updated this pinball machine in many cool ways. And guys, just the artwork alone, it's amazing looking, man. So yeah, that's the only thing I want to share with you guys for today. And yeah, on Patreon you are getting more news, but it is what it is, guys. So stay tuned for an upcoming video about FunHouse. I want to end this video by saying, after all these details, I want to say something else. I want to talk to you about the next game. So everybody's saying it's Twilight Zone. Pedretti Gaming is talking about Twilight Zone, what's going on. And I'm gonna set the record straight here, okay? Because their next game is not Twilight Zone. Their next game is not Twilight Zone. Pedretti Gaming, European Pinball Corporation, is not working on a Twilight Zone. I said it last year and people are still talking about it, but this is rock solid information. No Twilight Zone. So don't panic, don't start selling your games. So that's a little info you just got there. And the last thing, to all the distributors around the world, all my distro friends, I want to tell you something. Pedretti Gaming is doing something really cool. I'm not talking about the margin, I'm not talking about the buy-in prices for your game for sale, but they're doing something really cool for your showrooms. So if you are a distro, go ahead and contact Pedretti Gaming, because the thing they're doing that they will share with you, I hope all the other pinball manufacturers will learn from and do also. I hope you enjoyed this one. RETROCENGO out. I'll see you on Patreon, guys. I will write with you on my Patreon page. See you there. Bye.